Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss about tokenization in enterprise search engines like Apache Solr, Elasticsearch, Algolia, etc. What is tokenization? Tokenization is the process of splitting or tokenizing a text into list of words or terms during indexing or querying. These words or terms are known as tokens. This action of tokenization is performed by the tokenizer. For example, you have text quick brown fox. When you apply the tokenization, you would get three tokens quick, brown, and fox. During indexing, these tokens are saved against the document ID, which is used when query is performed. We will discuss indexing and querying in detail in separate session. Types of tokenizer. We have a different types of tokenizers. I have listed here few important ones. Whitespace tokenizer. It split the text using whitespace delimiter. For example, we have text show all nearby hotels. So it will split the text using whitespace and it will give you the tokens, four tokens, show all nearby and hotels. Letter tokenizer. This tokenizer creates token from string of contiguous letters, discarding all non-letter characters. For example, we have input or text I can't. When we apply this letter tokenizer, we will get three tokens I, can, and T. Next is keyword tokenizer. This tokenizer treats the entire text field as a single token. So basically, it does not split the input data or text. If you have input like please email this email ID by this complete text, the output would be same as input. So in keyword tokenizer, there is no splitting happen. I have also mentioned the analyzer because tokenizer are part of analyzers. So the analyzer consists of tokenizer and filters. First, tokenizer splits the text into words, then filter gets applied on those tokens to perform some actions like lowercasing, stop word filtering, stemming, etc. as per the configuration of the analyzer. So here I have given the analyzer configuration from Apache Solr. You can see the field type is text and the analyzer is being applied at the time of indexing. So first tokenizer being applied, then filter. The filter is lowercase filter factory. So here I have also mentioned, suppose you have input show all. When tokenizer is applied, it will give you show all, and when filter is applied, it will convert that show and all tokens into small case or lowercase. So this is the role of analyzer. We will see all these things in detail in separate sessions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.